The 2026 Opel Mokka GSe is the fastest car Opel has ever put into production. And here is the twist that makes it so interesting. It is not a coupe, and it is not a hot hatch in the usual sense. It is a small electric SUV that has been quietly turned into a genuine backroad weapon. Those two letters, GC, are the key to the whole thing. They stand for Grand Sport Electric, and this is Opel's old performance badge reborn for the electric age. So this is not a normal Mokka with some stickers and a body kit. Underneath, it shares its hot hardware with cars like the Alpine and the Peugeot 208 GTI. And Opel has given it the proper equipment to earn the badge, rather than just wear it. You can read some of that intent from the outside. It sits lower and meaner than a standard Mokka, filling its arches with big 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin performance tires. The bold split front end, the blanked-off grille, and the crisp Opel badge all look sharp, but the real changes are underneath, where it actually counts. This is a car built to be driven hard, not just parked outside a cafe to be admired. Here is where it gets serious. The GSe makes 280 horsepower from a single motor on the front axle, and it fires to 62 miles an hour in just 5.9 seconds. More importantly, it has a proper mechanical limited slip differential, uprated suspension, and bigger brakes, so it can actually deploy that power out of a corner instead of just lighting up its tires. For a small electric SUV, the way it grips and changes direction is genuinely surprising. If you enjoy this kind of honest, no-hype breakdown, take a moment to subscribe, because there is much more coming. Inside, it calms down again, and that is no bad thing. You get supportive sports seats to hold you in place, a chunky flat-bottom wheel, and the same clear twin-screen dashboard as the rest of the range, with a few GSe-specific touches. It is snug and driver-focused, without ever being uncomfortable, so you could genuinely use it every single day. This is a hot little car you do not have to suffer for. But now the honest part, and it is a big one for an electric performance car. The Mokka GSe carries a 54 kilowatt-hour battery, which is good for around 201 miles on paper, or roughly 324 kilometers. Drive it the way it quietly begs to be driven, hard and often, and that figure can tumble towards 150 real miles. So this is a short hop back road toy, not a long-distance tourer. The saving grace is that it charges quickly, taking around 27 minutes to go from 20 to 80%, so a coffee stop puts most of it back. On price, the Mokka GSe starts at just under £37,000 in the UK, dropping a little with the electric car grant, which works out at roughly $47,000. You will not find one in America, because Opel and its Vauxhall twin do not sell there. So the 2026 Opel Mokka GSe is not the electric SUV for someone who just wants to cross a country in silence. It is for the driver who misses proper hot hatches and wants that same silly grin from something electric. And judged on exactly that, Opel has quietly built something rather special.